Hi everyone. Today I will show you how to add motion blur to your footage in Premiere Pro. This method only works if your footage is higher frame rate than your finished render. For example, I have some 120 FPS footage which I will render at 60 FPS. Let's get into the video. First off, you need to drag in your footage. You can see that there is no motion blur and it looks a bit choppy. Right click it, speed/duration, and change this to frame blending. Then go to sequence settings, and set your desired frame rate. For me it is 60 FPS. Now click enter to pre-render and view the footage. It looks much nicer this way. I will put a direct comparison now. That's it for the tutorial. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. You woo.